Hi, j.mcvea here from Macintosh & Son in Wongan Hills. I'm just here to talk about the New Holland Genesis T8.380. So this one's 347 rated horsepower, 382 max horsepower. It's also fitted with the auto command CVT transmission. This one's got a Class 5 wide front axle, a luxury cab with leather seats and leather steering wheel. It's also got the IntelliView 12 display with the Cygnus receiver, so it's guidance complete. Tier 2 emissions, it's also got 4 remotes and a Category 4 rear linkage. If you want to talk to us about a deal on a New Holland T8 or any other New Holland product for a deal before June 30, give us a call at Macintosh & Son in Wongan Hills.